A liberty great I beg leave to take. In a question or two I would humbly make those scientists laugh. They may have to quake, for they cannot stand questions at all. That the earth is a globe, all these learned folks say, a tearing and spinning through space far away, at hundreds and thousands of miles in a day, like a bright and a big shining ball.
But pray will you tell me how air and not sea, at high elevations as high as can be, a wide concave surface which proves sir to me that the earth is not like a ball. Now scientists think it the greatest assumption for any to have the audacity bumption with mere common sense or ordinary gumption to question their science at all.
But tell us, dear scientist, if you are right, how is it old sailors have got such clear sight to pierce beyond your curvature quite some hundreds of feet less or more? Should you ask for a proof of what I have said, you will find that 𝚃𝚑𝚎 so I have read, at a distance of 40 miles off far ahead, can be seen oftentimes to the shore.
Hear the just Lord, the judgment of the skies. He that hates truth shall be the dupe of lies, and he that will be cheated to the last, delusion strong as hell shall bind him fast.
Is the surface of water then flat, sir, all round? In practice it seems to be flat, but it's found in theory curved, and all nature is bound to bow to the scientist's laws. And why points the compass if you can divine both northward and southward and at the same time? If the center's not north of a plane all in line, pray tell me the why and because.
If the center's the north, then the pole is a myth, and the North Star is right in the center zenith. So the compass points level to center forthwith, while the south is the circle all round. For 1,000 miles flows the great Nile toward the sea, and falls but a foot, so between you and me, the rivers are level as can be, disproving a spherical ground.
How is it, sir, science, exact science so stated? The sun's distance in miles is so differently rated, from 24 millions to 100 dilated, and even from less to much more.
Because this one distance, so very elastic, is wrecking the measuring rod. How bombastic to measure start distance is vast and fantastic.
Then why is it altered, wherefore?
Hear the just law, the judgment of the skies. He that hates truth shall be the dupe of lies, and he that will be cheated to the last, delusion strong as hell shall bind him fast.